Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
Use the data given in the following table to calculate the molar mass of naturally occurring argon isotopes. Argon exists in the nature in the form of different isotopes. You can see this argon 36, 38, 40, correct? And their molar masses are given. You can see this. And their natural abundance are also given. We have to find the average molar mass of all these isotopes. Okay. And what is the equation? Average atomic mass is equal to mass of the first isotope, this one, into its percentage. What is that? Abundance. Okay, abundance. Plus mass of the second isotope, that is this value, okay, into its abundance. Plus mass of third isotope, this value, into abundance, this value, by 100. Hope all of you understand. On substitution, what you will get? 35.96755 into percentage is what? 0.337 plus second one is what? This one, right? 37.96272 into abundance is what? 0.063 plus third isotope is what? 39.9624 into abundance is what? 99.6. Add all these things, then divided by 100. Okay, on calculating, you will get 39.9478 gram per mole. 39.9478. And that is the final answer. That is the average molar mass of argon. Hope all of you understand.